everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're planning to apply for spouse open work permit for Canada, then you know how important it is to provide strong proof of relationship. But here's the thing. One of the biggest reasons SOWP application get rejected is because the proof of relationship is not convincing enough. It is either too weak or just plain wrong. In this video, I'm going to share the top 3 mistakes people make when submitting their marriage photos, and most importantly, how can you avoid them to ensure your application gets approved quickly. I'm also going to walk you through how to select your marriage photos, what details you need to add to each photo, and even share some bonus tips that will make your relationship look genuine to the visa officer. So stay tuned and watch till the end. Why is proof of relationship so crucial in spouse open work permit application? So when you are applying for an SOWP, the visa officer wants to be sure that the relationship is genuine. They need to feel confident that you are not just marrying for immigration benefits. And guess what? One of the strong pieces of evidence you can provide to prove this is your marriage photos. Many people think that just adding a couple of wedding photos will suffice. But that's far from the case. The IRCC wants to see a full story from your wedding photos, from your wedding days, before marriage, after marriage, and some real moments with your friends and families. So you have to prove that you are in a real, ongoing relationship. If you don't have strong photos, or if your photos don't tell the full story, you risk your application being rejected. So let's dive into the top mistakes people make when it comes to submitting proof of relationship, especially through marriage photos. So mistake number 1, only adding 1 or 2 photos. Some applicants add only few photos from their wedding day, expecting those to be enough. But that's not enough. The officer needs to see more than just a couple of images from the wedding ceremony. If you want more in-depth information on other aspects of the SOWP application process, make sure to check out my full series. All the details you need to get approved in just 1 month without any agency help. Mistake number 2, no description. Another mistake is adding photos without any description. Just uploading pictures with no context does not help your case. This is essential for creating a genuine narrative about your relationship. Mistake number 3, adding selfies or low quality photos. Selfies or blurry photos or low resolution photos won't show your relationship in its best light. The IRCC wants to see clear, high quality images that represent you as a couple. Low quality photos or informal selfies may raise doubts. So what or how many photos should you actually add? Basically, we need to add 20 photos. I have divided into 3 categories. The first category is photos before marriage. Add 3 to 5 photos over here. So these should show you and your spouse spending quality time together before your wedding. It could be your family gatherings, trips you took together, events you both attended, or casual moments with your mutual friends. The second category is that photos from the wedding. Add 8 to 10 photos here. Include various candid moments from the wedding day. Don't just upload the photos from the ceremony, like add the photos like before ceremony, what we do, like the pre-wedding moments, like getting ready, photos with families, friends and relatives. If you are having a Hindu wedding, then include photos from haldi, lagan and all those things. Special moments like the reception or post-ceremony celebration. Emotional moments like the first dance, speech or the family gathering. All those photos you can add here. The last category, photos after marriage. Include 5 to 7 photos over here. This should show your life together after the wedding. This includes like trip you have taken together as a married couple, daily life photos with your spouse and the family member, special celebration or milestone since you have been married. These 3 sets of photos tell the full journey of your relationship and will make your proof of relationship stronger and more genuine. Okay, here's a bonus tip that can save you a lot of hassle: compressing your photos. Comment for the website link for photo compression. Compress each photo before adding it to the document. This will help you keep the file size under control. Once all 20 photos are compressed, insert them into the document file like this. Now that you have selected your photos, what's next? Here is the structure I used for my photos. The first thing, when and where. This function took place at my wife's home in Rajasthan. The photo was taken at Radhika Resort, Kota, Rajasthan on 7th November 2019. The second thing, who's in the photo? So my father, mother, elder brother, younger brother and my wife are present in the pictures mentioned above. Third thing, what's the occasion? As I mentioned earlier, this was the first ceremony of our Hindu wedding called the haldi ceremony. It is considered very auspicious to begin the wedding by applying haldi, turmeric to the bride and groom's faces. The last thing, story of the photo. This photo was taken when my family began applying haldi to my wife. So you can see you need to add 4 or 5 lines for each photo describing all these 4 points. In the same file, add all remaining 19 photos and add the description for each photos. You need to make sure your photo files don't exceed the total limit of 4 MB for proof of relationship, which includes all documents, not just the photos. So if your files are too large, they may get rejected or cause delays. Compress the entire photo document file using an online tool while maintaining the quality. For example, my photo file were initially 16 MB, but after compression, they came down to around 160 KB and I still maintain the image quality. Now let's talk about the full application. When you have gathered your photos and description, it's time to put everything together. Make sure your documents are well organized. Your proof of relationship is clearly labeled and you don't exceed the total file size, which is the 4 MB. By following these steps, you'll not only improve your chances of approval, but also save yourself time and frustration by making sure everything is done right the first time. That's it for today's video. I hope this helps you avoid mistakes and make your SOWP application stronger. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more immigration tips. And if you have any questions or need further help with your proof of relationship, drop a comment below and I'll reply based on my experience. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your SOWP application. See you in the next video. Take care.